Stop tossing things aside, because what you're about to get rid of might be exactly what your garden needs to truly shine. That worn-out bucket could turn into a striking planter, those empty bottles into a suspended garden, and even damaged furniture can become a standout piece that makes your entire space feel thoughtfully designed. Today, I'm going to walk you through simple, low-cost ideas to upgrade your garden using things you already have at home. No big spending, no complex tools, just creativity and a few clever techniques that genuinely work. Welcome to Primal Life, your comfortable corner for turning everyday inspiration into something beautiful in your garden. If you enjoy easy and affordable garden transformations like these, make sure you stay with me, because by the end, you'll definitely find at least one idea you'll want to try right away. Now, let's begin. The first idea is about transforming old buckets into stylish, rustic planters. Before you throw away that old bucket lying in your yard, take another look, because it can easily become one of the most eye-catching elements in your garden. With just a little effort, you can turn it into a rustic planter that looks like it came straight from a high-end shop. Start by cleaning it properly, then drill a few small holes at the bottom to allow proper drainage. After that, paint it using soft, natural tones like matte black, white, or even a slightly weathered brown to give it that aged, organic feel. What really makes this idea stand out is how you arrange it. Instead of using just one, try grouping 2 or 3 buckets at different heights to create depth and visual interest. Place them along a path, near your entrance, or in a quiet corner that needs some life. Add vibrant flowers or lush greenery, and suddenly something that once looked like trash becomes a beautiful focal point that elevates your entire garden. The second idea is turning plastic bottles into a hanging garden. Instead of throwing away empty plastic bottles, you can transform them into a creative hanging garden that saves space while adding a unique touch to your outdoor area. Simply cut the bottles horizontally or vertically depending on the look you want, then make small holes for drainage and to thread rope or wire through them. Once ready, hang them along a wall, fence, or even a simple wooden frame. This works perfectly if you have a small garden or balcony but still want a rich green atmosphere. What makes this idea even better is how practical it is. These bottle planters are great for herbs like mint or basil, as well as small decorative plants, and they're very easy to maintain. You can paint them for a cleaner appearance or leave them transparent for a more natural feel. When arranged neatly in rows or layers, they create a vertical garden effect that feels modern, fresh, and surprisingly beautiful, all from something most people would throw away. The third idea is transforming a broken chair into a unique plant display. That damaged chair you were planning to discard can actually become one of the most charming features in your garden. Instead of seeing it as useless, view it as a ready-made plant stand full of character. Just remove the damaged seat or cushion and place a flower pot right where the seat used to be. You can keep the chair as it is for a rustic touch or repaint it. Soft pastel shades, white, or even a distressed finish all work perfectly. What makes this idea special is the personality it adds to your space. Place the chair in a quiet corner, near your entrance, or beside a walkway to instantly create a focal point. Add trailing plants or colorful flowers, and it becomes something that feels intentional and artistic instead of accidental. It's one of those simple changes that makes your garden look thoughtfully designed without spending anything extra. The fourth idea is turning tin cans into a mini herb garden. Those empty cans in your kitchen can easily become a charming herb setup with just a bit of creativity. Start by cleaning them thoroughly and removing any labels. Then create small drainage holes at the bottom. You can paint them in soft neutral shades or wrap them with jute rope for a warm, natural look. Once prepared, fill them with soil and plant herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. What makes this idea appealing is how clean and organized it looks when displayed together. Line them up on a windowsill, mount them on a wooden board, or attach them to a fence to create a simple herb wall. Adding small labels makes it practical while also giving your garden a neat aesthetic. It's an easy and affordable way to combine beauty with function. The fifth idea is transforming old tires into raised garden beds. Tires might not seem appealing at first, but with a bit of creativity, they can become bold and beautiful garden features. Start by cleaning them well, then paint them in colors that match your garden style. Bright colors create a playful feel, while earthy tones offer something more natural. Once dry, place them directly on the ground, fill them with soil, and plant flowers or vegetables inside. You can even stack 2 tires to add depth and make your plants stand out more. What makes this idea effective is how it instantly adds structure. Instead of plants looking scattered, the tires help define areas and create a more organized layout. Line them along paths, use them to frame spaces, or make them a central feature filled with vibrant blooms. It's a simple upgrade that turns waste into something practical and visually striking. The sixth idea is creating a beautiful garden pathway using simple materials. A pathway can completely transform how your garden looks and feels. And the best part is that it doesn't require expensive materials. You can use leftover bricks, stones, gravel, or even broken tiles to design a walkway that guides the eye through your space. Instead of placing everything in straight lines, create gentle curves to give it a more natural and relaxed look. This small detail instantly makes your garden feel more intentional and professionally designed. What really brings this idea to life is how it connects everything. A pathway not only adds structure, but also makes your garden easier to move through and more enjoyable to experience. Add plants along the edges, decorative stones, or even solar lights for a soft glow in the evening. It turns your garden into an experience rather than just a place. The seventh idea is using solar lights to instantly elevate your garden. One of the simplest and most affordable ways to make your garden look stunning is by adding solar lights. They charge during the day and glow automatically at night, creating a soft and welcoming atmosphere without increasing your electricity costs. Place them along pathways, around flower beds, or between plants to highlight different areas. The effect may be subtle during the day, but at night it becomes truly magical. What makes them powerful is the transformation they bring with almost no effort. A simple garden can suddenly feel warm, cozy, and even luxurious. It's one of those small additions that makes a big difference, allowing you to enjoy your garden both day and night. The eighth idea is decorating with painted rocks. Painted stones are a simple and creative way to add personality to your garden without spending much. Start by collecting smooth stones, then use acrylic paint to create colorful patterns, designs, or small messages. Place them around flower beds, along pathways, or among plants to add small bursts of color. Each rock can be unique, reflecting your personal style. Beyond decoration, they can also be used as markers for herbs or vegetables. They are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to change whenever you want a new look. This idea transforms something ordinary into a playful and artistic detail. The ninth idea is wrapping pots with jute rope for texture. Plain pots can easily become stylish accents by wrapping them with jute rope. This adds warmth and natural texture, making them look more refined and intentional. All you need is glue and patience. Start from the top or bottom and wrap the rope around until the entire pot is covered. Leave it natural for a rustic look, or paint parts of it for a modern touch. These pots work well for flowers, herbs, or decorative plants, and can be grouped together for added depth. It's a simple and low-cost way to elevate ordinary planters. The 10th idea is creating hanging jar lanterns for a magical glow. Old jars can be turned into beautiful lanterns that bring your garden to life at night. Place a candle or small lights inside, then hang them using wire or rope from trees, hooks, or fences. You can paint them, decorate them, or leave them clear for a rustic style. When they glow, they create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Even the simplest garden can feel magical with these lights, turning ordinary evenings into peaceful and memorable moments. The 11th idea is building a vertical pallet garden. If you lack space, this is a perfect solution. Take an old pallet, clean it, and attach pots or soil pockets to each level. Lean it against a wall or fence and plant herbs, succulents, or flowers. It saves space while creating a strong visual feature. You can customize it with paint, decorations, or seasonal plants. It's a smart and affordable way to maximize space and keep your garden vibrant. The 12th idea is turning teacups and bowls into mini planters. Small cups or bowls can become charming planters filled with succulents or herbs. They give new life to items that would otherwise be discarded while adding personality to your space. They're perfect for tables, windowsills, or grouped displays. Their small size makes them ideal for highlighting overlooked corners, adding a playful and unique touch. The 13th idea is using wooden crates as plant shelves. Old crates can be stacked in different ways to create layered displays. Fill them with plants to add height and organization. They can be left natural or painted to match your garden. This setup saves space while creating a dynamic visual effect that highlights your plants beautifully. The 14th idea is creating a simple DIY water feature. A small water feature adds movement and sound, instantly enhancing your garden. Use a basin, a pump, and decorative stones to create gentle flowing water. The sound brings calm and transforms your garden into a relaxing retreat. It's a simple addition that makes your space feel more refined and peaceful. The 15th idea is building a hanging basket wall. Attach hooks or a frame to a wall and hang baskets filled with plants. This adds greenery without using floor space, while creating depth and visual impact. Mix sizes and plants to create a layered look that feels full and vibrant. It's perfect for small areas and instantly transforms plain surfaces into living features. And there you have it, a collection of simple and affordable ideas to transform your garden using items you already own. With creativity and a bit of effort, your outdoor space can become lively, unique, and full of character.